Good morning, Disha. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. Duty, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you. So we'll wait for the others also. Let me ask them to join again. And we will be starting today new chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, just give me few minutes. I'll just, guide the other children also to join.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Drisha. Lakshya, you can also turn on the video. Good morning, Drisha. How are you? You can unmute yourself, Drisha. Yeah. How are you? I can't hear you. Lakshya, can you hear me and can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think Drisha, you have to get your mic checked because I can't hear you. Can you speak now? Drisha, can you speak? Okay, she can hear. Okay, but I am not able to hear. Okay, fine. So we will be starting, Drisha, today the new chapter, and the chapter name is Animals. In some of the book, it is given by the name Animals Everywhere. In some of the book, it is given by the name Animals Life. In some of the book, it is given by the adaptation in Animals. Okay, so depending upon book to book, publication to publication, the different names are being given to the same chapter. Okay, now I just want to know from you all, who are the animals? Yes, Lakshya, who are the animals?
Ma'am, animals are the living things that living people, like the living things that are in the forest.
Only in the forest animals will be there? No. Any other thing you want to like to add in that?
And our earth is like a home to them.
Okay. A little is correct. Okay, no problem. Drisha, now you tell me, who are the animals? Say who are the animals? Yes, Drisha, can you say like who are the animals? You don't know? Okay, no problem, no problem. I'll tell you. Jyoti, can you tell me who are the animals?
Animals are living organisms that may live in jungles or if they're domestic in farms.
Okay, fine, very good.
They
Jivan
have
has also
different
joined.
food habits and living lifestyles.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll tell you now, Drisha, Dyuti, Hayan, and Lakshya, who are the animals. You know, we are also the animals. Okay, we are the one type of the animals on the earth. Correct? So Lakshya is one animal, I am one animal, Drisha is also a kind of the animal, Dyuti is animal. Everybody on the earth are the animals under the category of the mammals. But before that, who are the animals? Animals are the living organism. Now, if I say living organism, it means they can move. We can move, right? Now, if your mother has prepared something good, what happened? Immediately you will leave your studies and you will run to the kitchen. Okay, let me see what my mother has prepared. Correct? Your father has got some gift for you. What happened? You will leave your studies, you will go and get the gift first. Correct? So you can move. The animals, they can move from one place to the another place. Those are called as the animals. So animals, they are the living organisms who can move from one place to another place. And can we make the food by ourselves? Can we make the food by ourselves?
Ma'am, humans can, but animals don't.
We also can't make the food actually. Correct, Drisha. We cannot make the food by ourselves. Can we make? No, actually. What is happening? Your mothers, they are preparing the food only by the raw material what is present around, right? Yes or no? Like if she want to make the veg biryani, what happens? She needs the potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and all. So those potatoes, tomatoes, onions, from where she's getting it? She's getting it from the market. So those basic raw materials we are getting it from where? From the plants. That is why we say that animals cannot prepare the food. Only the plants can prepare them. Have you understood, Risha? Okay, you have understood. Dyuti, Hayan, and Lakshya, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
keep in mind, animals are the living organisms that can move from one place to another place and they cannot make their food. Though our mothers, they are preparing the food in the kitchen, but basically they are preparing from the raw materials, what they are getting from the outside source of it. Okay. Now, other thing is, sometimes like, father or mother, they'll get angry also, right? They'll be like, why you have done this thing? Why it is like, then during that time, what happened? Either you will start crying, either you'll get angry, either you will start laughing, something, some kind of emotions you will be showing. Correct. So what that is also a kind of the animal kind of the response which we give basically. So all the animals, like if the dog is moving from one place to another place, what happened? Dog is moving in the search of maybe some food item. Correct. The moment they actually, without seeing itself, they can smell it, they can fragrance it, and they will actually eat that food. That is also one of the major quality that animal will have, which is called as stimulus. Your mother has prepared something good. Without going to the kitchen, you can tell, oh, my mother has prepared something, nice with the fragrance of it. That is how the animals will be responding. So through the nose has that much of capability through which we can actually fragrance it, and we can, just identify what kind of the food she has prepared. So we can respond to the changes what happens around us. Now weather is different, right? Sometimes it is cold, sometimes it is very hot. What do we do? According to that climate, we will be wearing the sweater, we will be wearing the cotton dresses, we will be wearing something else, correct? So we are responding to that climate. Now if it is very sunny, we will not go outside, we know, right? So human can actually feel that. Same goes for the other animals. If it is too sunny, the dogs will not be sitting right outside. They will also find some place where it is less sunny. So animals can actually move. They can eat the food. Through eating the food, they can get the energy also. They can respire. Respire means breathing, right? We all are breathing. Drisha is breathing, Dyuti is breathing, Lakshya, and we all are breathing, right? We are taking the oxygen gas. We are releasing the carbon dioxide gas outside. Correct. This is what we are doing it. So all the animals, be it the rat, bat, dog, elephant, tigers, and all, everybody actually respire. That is what they will be doing. Then next thing what do they do is growth, which is very important, right? You might have observed, once your mother she cut the hairs, again they start growing. Once you cut your nails, again they start growing. In before for maybe before 4 years you were little short, but now you're a little taller. After some year you will be like your mother, like your father in the height might be. So that is what the growth is. So growth happens in the animals. In the dogs you might have seen a little puppy will be there, but slowly and gradually that puppies will get converted or changed into a big dog actually. Correct. So cats also, kittens also, calf also. So all the animals who are there on the earth, what happened? They will be showing the growth. Am I clear, Drisha? Okay. Lakshya, do you think am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hayan, you can turn on the video.
Ma'am, I'm in the laptop. The video does not work, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next thing is very important, which is like, eating, which is called as nutrition. Nutrition is an important process where animals cannot make the food, but what they can do, they can get from the plants, right? Now, on a tree, there is a, maybe, there is any kind of, or maybe on underground, we are taking the potatoes, okay? Those potatoes, what we are doing, we are actually eating them, right? By cooking, not raw, but by cooking, we are eating them. Now that is what is called as a nutrition. So once we eat the rice, once we eat the chapatis or any kind of the nutrient food, when we eat, it goes into our body and through that we start growing. That is what the nutrition is. So animals cannot make the food, but they will be dependent on the other plants or the animals for the food. And through that, they will be getting the nutrition. Now, the plants I told you, but in the animals also we are depending on, right? Now, the non-vegetarian person, they will be eating the mutton, chicken, all those things. We are from where we are getting them? We are getting them from the animals. Then there are like milk. Milk, from where we are getting it? We are getting it from the animals. Then eggs. Eggs, from where we are getting it? Animal. Correct, Drisha? Yes, right. So milk we are getting from the animals, eggs we are getting from the animals. So directly, indirectly, we are also dependent on the other animals for getting the some or the other kind of the food. So movement, nutrition, respiration, growth. These all things the animals will be doing. Apart from this, they will also react to the stimulus. Stimulus means any kind of the changes which happens around them. Now, sometimes you know what happened, the sounds in the forest, like if some kind of danger is there, so the animals, what do? They produce some sounds. The birds will be producing the sounds, small animals, they will be producing the sound. So why do they produce a sound? So that the other animals, they can get alert and they start escaping from the danger. So that is what the response. Now, okay, one more simple example I'll give you. Your mother has prepared the hot milk. Okay, your mother has prepared the hot milk. Drisha, do you drink the milk? Okay, good. Dyuti, do you drink the milk? I can't hear you, Dyuti.
No, ma'am.
No, you should actually. Lakshya, do you drink the milk?
No.
Oh, allergy to milk or what? Okay, so your mother, for example, she has prepared the milk, now hot milk actually to her, and you did not know that is the hot milk. By mistakenly, you have touched the glass. So what happened? The glass is also hot, and by mistakenly, you have touched it. What you will be doing after touching the hot glass?
Ma'am, we get the burning sense.
You will be actually, no, that will be later process. But before that, no, before that you will
Drop
be
the glass. Ma'am,
sorry.
we drop the glass.
Dropping of the glass can be the first option, or it can be like immediately when you touch the glass, you will be taking your hand back. Correct.
Ma'am, when I don't know how it's hot, I touch it from the sideways, and when I get it, when I know it's hot, I hit it.
You are smart, I think, in that case, Ayan. Like, you are just keeping yourself safe by touching it in the corners, right? So, but sometimes we touch it from the center, actually, right? So immediately after touching, we take our hand back. That is what is also the stimulus, where the hot object you have touched and you have got the sensation. Your skin has got the sensation that something is hot and something is danger for you. Immediately you take your hand back. Now you have the needles are there. Needle is there, right? Sometimes you touch the needle. What happened? You will be taking your hand back, right? It will be hurting, so you take your hand back. So many other examples are there. Now, if I ask, okay, you have to go and stand in the sun for half an hour. What happened? Can you stand under the sun for half an hour?
No, ma'am.
No. Ma'am is saying, but ma'am is saying to you, you have to stand then. Will you? No. Why? What happened if you stand under the sun for half an hour?
We can get some fun.
You will fall down actually, right? It is too hot, and immediately, maybe after 10 to 15 minutes, you will fall down. You'll get conscious, right? So that is what happened, like, that is sun. The sun radiations are there. Sun rays are coming, because of which you are feeling it and you are reacting towards it by maybe, running from the ground, coming back to the home, or maybe some other option you will be finding it. Right, Drisha? Okay. So these are the certain kind of the characteristics which happens or which works in the animals. So I'll repeat again the things. Animals, they are basically the living organisms that can move from one place to another place. They cannot make their food. They depend on the other plants and other animals for the food. They actually respond to the surrounding. They can move. They can get the food. They can respire. They can grow. They can reproduce, and also they can respond to stimulus. They can do that. Okay. Now, do you Lakshya, turn on the video? Now, what is the basic need of the animals? What the basic need of the animal? What do we need? What do we need? Basic thing. What do we need?
Shelter.
Shelter, very good, Lakshya. Yes, shelter we needed. Then what else? Drisha, what else we need to survive?
Ma'am, food and water.
Food and water. Very good, Dyoti. Drisha, you should also tell any one thing. Drisha, okay, I'll give you the hint also. What is that? Breathing, air, right? Air. Correct, Trisha. So that is what is also the main requirement. So we need the basic need of the animals is what? They are the food, they are the water, they are the breathing, which is the air, the shelter, and also kind of the space. Now, why the reason I'm telling you the space? If I say Lakshya, Dyoti, Drisha, and Hayan, you have to be in only one room. You cannot go out of the room. Is it okay for you? Can you survive in that same room?
No, ma'am, we'll get suffocated.
You'll get suffocated. Why?
It will be boring.
It will be boring. Okay. Drisha, can you survive in one room? Can you live in one room without going anywhere? No. Right? So that is why we
Ma'am,
need
I can stay for like 2 hours or something, and after.
everybody can stay for 2 hours. 2 hours, one day also we can actually stay. But the problem is not more than that. If we try, to stay for longer time, we get actually, some kind of the boringness, some kind of the dullness, some kind of the weakness will be there. So that is why we have to move. So for that we need the
Sometimes we get scared also for being alone in the room.
correct. True. So space is also needed for the movement and also to live comfortably. Now, what is happening? You are on your vacations, right? I think today Dhyuti is traveling, so Dhyuti is also going somewhere, someplace. Lakshya might be going in the future someplace, and might be going, right? So why you're going? You're going because of your comfortableness. You like moving. Correct, Drisha? Are you planning to go for the vacation anytime? Drisha, your voice is not coming. I don't know why. Maybe some mic you need to get it checked, maybe, some sound, I'm not getting it. I can hear that you're speaking, but the voice is not coming. Okay, so that is why we need the space to move from one place to the another place. Clear, children, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? Drisha, Dyuti, Lakshya, and Hayan, thumbs up if I'm okay, if you're clear with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I think we should move to the writing part. So, Drisha, take out one copy. We need to write. Okay, I'm going to write over the screen. So, you also need to write. Hayan, Dyuti. Dyuti, will you be writing today? Yes, Dyuti, will you be writing today? Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, take out. Let me also share the screen. Hmm. Okay. Share screen. Can you see my screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now. Oops. Sorry, I have started that. Oh. Okay. So write today's date, children. Today is, I think, 4th May 2026, Monday. And the chapter name is Animals. As I told you, in some of the book it is given as Animal Everywhere. In somewhere it is given as Animals Adaptation. In some book it is given as Animals Life. So, but the concept is same for all the books. Okay, those everything topic or all the topics I will be teaching you. Okay, now the first one, the first topic is animals. Write the heading animals. We will be writing the definition of them. Animals are living organisms.
Ma'am, can you check the chat?
Just a minute. Okay, okay, Harry. Okay, so animals are living organisms that can move from one place to another place and cannot make their own food. So they are the living organisms. They can move from one place to another place and they cannot make their own food. Now, the second topic is the
Ma'am, tomorrow I'll have my book, ma'am.
Okay, okay, all right. Second topic is the characteristics of the animals. So first characteristic is movement. Movement, which means most animals, most animals can move to find food and shelter. Second one is the nutrition, where animals cannot make their food. Animals cannot make their food, cannot make their own food, and that is why they depend on plants or another animals. So complete these two topics and we'll be going to the next one.
Yes.
Done, Lakshya? Drisha, you have done?
Ma'am, I'm writing nutrition.
Okay, okay. Drisha, you're writing, right? Okay, Drisha, write it, write it. Lakshya, is it done? Trisha, done? No. Okay. Write it. Just a minute.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, Lakshya, let Drisha also to complete it. Drisha, done? Yes, Drisha, is it done? Okay, just let me share it again. And now, third one. Drisha, can we write now next one? Okay, we'll write the third one now. Which is the respiration. So, respiration means when animals basically they breathe in and breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So that is what the respiration the animals will be doing. Then the fourth one is the growth, where animals grow and develop over time. Then fifth one is reproduction. Reproduction is basically animals produce young ones of their own kind. So when they give birth to the young ones, that process is called as the reproduction. And the last one is response to stimuli. So, animals react to changes in their, so whatever changes happens, we animals, we will be reacting to it. Like if any danger is there, we will run, we will jump and all. Any kind of the light is there, fire is there, we do that, right? Any sound comes which is like not appropriate, we actually respond towards that. So these are called as the response to stimuli. So complete this, children. Lakshya, is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can send me the notes then. Yuti, are you writing or no?
Ma'am, I'm listening and completed after going home.
Okay, all right. Good. Okay, no problem at all. Okay. Drisha, which point you are writing? Drisha, which point are you writing? Actually, I can't hear your voice, Drisha. Response to stimulus, I think you're writing. Okay, complete this then. Once Drisha it is completed, then you have to send the notes on my number. Okay, ask your mother to send it.
Ma'am, I sent it. Ma'am, is the class almost done?
Yeah, almost, yes. And Hayan, you should, once you reach to your, I think, grandparents' home, you have to complete and then you have to send it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I'll send it tomorrow, ma'am. Tomorrow I'm reaching to my grandparents' house.
Okay, okay. All right. And you one is also going along with you?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Then fine.
Ma'am, I sent.
Yes, Lakshya I have received, so thank you. Hayan, you may also leave.
Ma'am?
You may also leave now.
Ma'am, I'll stay until the end of class.
Okay, okay. All right. No problem. Is it done, Richa? Done? Drisha, can you call your mother? Like maybe she's here. Lakshya, you can leave, and Hayan, you may also leave. Dyuti, you may also leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you. Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I think there's a problem with the audio because I can't hear.
Ma'am, should I leave the class now?
Yes, Hayan, you may leave. Thank you. Because she's responding. No, you are not audible actually. Because she is answering well, she's responding, but I can't hear. I can see the lip sync only. Yes, ma'am. Just try to rejoin, like, then let's check what is the exact problem then. Okay, all right. I'll wait. No, you are not audible, ma'am. No. Maybe some mic, ma'am. Maybe some mic system and something you need to check, like.
Yeah, am I audible, ma'am, now?
Perfect.
Okay,
Perfect.
okay. Some setting issues. Okay, okay.
Correct, correct. So,
Okay.
Disha, how was the class? Actually, she was responding. I can hear her, but the sound was not coming. So, Disha,
Oh,
you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I think she's little shy and all. She does not
yeah.
speak.
Like she has initially she has that problem, ma'am. Later on she will be fine. Like 1-2
Fine.
sessions she will be little quiet.
I'll make her that, ma'am. She has to speak. She has to enjoy, because the
Oh,
moment she starts enjoying, she starts liking the things in.
right, right. So, ma'am, you deal with science, right, ma'am?
Correct, ma'am. I'll be
Ma'am,
dealing.
one more doubt. It's a
Hmm.
CBSE or a Cambridge curriculum, ma'am?
It is actually, ma'am, CBSE.
CBSE curriculum. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Like based on what books, NCRT books you are teaching, ma'am?
Ma'am, NCRT does not have, the base actually. So what do we
Okay.
do? There are private publications will be there. Those private publications we will be following. But what happened? Every book has a different kind of the names, ma'am. If you do,
Right,
private
right. But
publication,
concepts are the same.
the
I
concepts
understand.
are the same. So that's why
Right.
I told the children itself in the beginning that this topic is common for all, but the name is different. Somewhere it is
Right.
animals everywhere. Somewhere it is animals life. Somewhere it is animals adaptation. So
Got it. Right, right,
it will be
right.
different, but yes, certainly, like, if you feel like something else also need to be covered, do inform us, ma'am. We
Okay.
will be
So,
covering.
oh yeah, sorry, ma'am. The timings will be like morning 10 to 10:40, right, ma'am? And every day?
Yes, yes, ma'am. 10 to 10:40, but certainly it is only for a month, ma'am. Like, after that, we will be shifting in the evening timing once their
Right.
schools restarts, ma'am.
So, ma'am, we need to choose how many subjects we need to opt like that, ma'am. How the program will be. Actually, I approached for an offline tutor, but sir told me that no, you will be engaged. Teacher is
Ma'am,
very
she will
less.
enjoy. She will enjoy, because many pictures and all will be there,
Right,
experiments will be there. So
right,
nowadays, ma'am, more of the physical, I believe, like, for the smaller kids, this works a lot. Where
right, right.
the difference, they can do hands-on learning kind of thing. They can
Right.
have those.
So, can you please tell me a
Yes,
brief about this program, ma'am?
sure, ma'am. So we will be covering the maths and science entirely, where 3 days maths, 3 days science will be there. So
Okay.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday they will have the science. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday they will have the maths. But sometimes what happens if the teacher is on leave, the other teacher take the classes then.
Got it. Okay.
Then apart from that, they will have the one class of Hindi, one class of English, and one class of the social studies also. So
Okay.
likewise, total 9 classes will be there in a week, and
Okay.
every Sunday they will have the test also, ma'am. So whatsoever
Okay.
they have covered, we should understand, right, where they're standing, where, like, whether they have understood or not, whether they're able to write it or not. Because sometimes
Right.
what happens, they can understand, but when it comes to framing the answer, they do not know how to frame the answer.
Right. Right.
So
Right.
once we conduct the test, or like during the Sundays, then we will be guiding them on the framing of the answer, presentation methods also, and in the maths, the step-wise answers also, we will be guiding them how to do it. And the materials, they will be getting it through the WhatsApp group. So if you want that, you can take the PDF of the same thing. And
Okay.
so, like, this time to time, the worksheets also we will be sharing with them, ma'am. So that is how we will be doing.
Okay. Okay. So, ma'am, like to proceed further, whom to reach out, ma'am?
I'll tell you, ma'am. I'll tell you. I'm the only person who will be taking care of that.
Oh, great.
In
Okay.
case
Okay.
anything else also you need it, just do let me know. Like, ma'am, this is like exam portion for her coming, and for the extra kind of the classes also, I am the only one who I'm like, who can you inform, and then we can arrange the extra classes as well, because she has
Oh,
to get the good marks, ma'am. That is the main motive.
okay. Okay.
Understanding, clarification, and the marks also equally important.
Oh,
So
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
be taking for everything, and what I'll do is I'll share you the scanner through that you can make the payment, and
Okay.
then share me the screenshot. Once I receive the screenshot,
Actually, I don't know the fee structure and everything.
okay. Fee structure, ma'am, for the grade 5, it is 3.5 thousand rupees monthly.
Monthly. It's a monthly subscription.
Yes, ma'am, monthly one.
Okay, great.
So
Okay.
it is monthly one, and like now today onwards, like today is 4th, so 4th to 4th May, it will be 1 month, ma'am.
Okay, 3.5K.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, for everything like math, science per
Yes,
month.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is like that.
Okay, good. Okay.
So that is how we will be working.
Okay. Ma'am, like we'll connect you on WhatsApp. You are messaging me, right, ma'am?
Yes, exactly, ma'am. I was
Yeah.
messaging.
So just as you observed, Trisa is little if she's not comfortable, she won't proceed. Just tomorrow also we will attend the class, ma'am, as you gave 2 days session, right? So once tomorrow session done, I'll check with Trisa and I'll pay the payment immediately after the class, ma'am.
Fine.
Oh, okay. Is that okay, ma'am? Yeah.
Yeah, for me it is okay, completely okay. No problem.
Okay. So like meanwhile, I'll make her comfortable. It's a useful thing. Like
Correct.
ma'am is very friendly kind of thing. So
Correct.
that
No
she
problem.
won't middle drop. Actually, she do so many things like that. That's why I opted for actually I strictly looked for offline sessions only because of this. Whenever I opted for some online drawing or something, she will attend and middle of the thing she will drop. So just
No, see, ma'am, the main thing is, we have to keep on motivating her.
right,
The
exactly.
moment when she's motivated, then nothing to worry about.
Right.
That motivation is needed. If we say no, Trisha, no, then what happened? That is the mindset of the child, ma'am.
Right.
It goes into the brain. It will be
It's
working.
need encouragement, right?
Yes.
I agree.
So she is little shy. She is like, I think, a kind of the reserve girl, I can say, who does not want to come out of the shelter. So we have to make her to come out of the shelter.
Oh.
So
it's like a year-long program, right, ma'am?
Correct, ma'am. It is a year program.
Right. Okay. Ma'am, like before that, can I know in math what topics you will cover, ma'am, if possible?
In the maths, I think sir is covering, I guess, large numbers. Large numbers.
Oh, no, like complete syllabus of this year, just to check.
Complete syllabus. Okay, I'll just share the syllabus, ma'am.
Oh, that would be great, ma'am.
Or else, ma'am, you can also share the syllabus with us. Let us also go through the same thing.
Yeah, sure.
For both maths and science, you share with us. Okay, I'll just tell you like what are the chapters are common.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Math and science, I'll share.
Correct, ma'am. Okay.
Right. Okay, ma'am.
And ma'am, today they have one more class, which is the social studies class. I think that in the class, like, maybe Drisha can attend the 5. I think that is like somewhere 8 to 9, ma'am.
Oh, night, evening.
8 to 9. Or else she let her attend my class only tomorrow then.
That would be good, ma'am.
Fine. Then let her attend tomorrow my class only. So we'll see. Then maybe, then we'll have the discussion.
Okay, if she want to attend the science class, same link, ma'am? Through the same link?
Now it is same link, ma'am.
Same
For
link.
tomorrow and after tomorrow it is same link. So tomorrow you may discuss and then we can close it, ma'am.
Sure.
Okay.
May I know your name, ma'am? Manisha. Okay. Right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye.